Hello students, today we are going to discuss a new topic from EVS. This is topic number 14 and the name of this topic is our Earth. So students, Earth is the planet on which we live. Yes, we live on a planet called as Earth. This Earth is the third planet in the solar system and the Earth is a very huge planet and its shape is round. So Earth is a round planet which just looks like a huge ball. And this planet Earth is having water on it. It is having land. Then it is having life on it. So Earth is the only planet which is having life on it. And what is life? Life means we, the living beings, the animals. The living beings like animals, plants, human beings, all these are the living things. That is the life which is found on the planet Earth. No other planet is having life on it. So now I will show you a picture of Earth. So students, here you can see the picture of Earth. It is round like a huge ball. It is very big in size. And this is the third planet in the solar system. Students, this is the picture of a globe. As I told you, globe is a model of our Earth. It looks like the Earth. The Earth, when seen, it can be seen like this. The blue part here is the water. And you can see that water is covering a greater part of our planet Earth. And the other parts which are shown in colors, this is the land. So, different countries, different continents are shown here. So students, by looking the picture, you might have understood how the Earth looks like. And now I am going to tell you about the globe. Globe is a model of the Earth. In order to study the Earth, a globe is prepared. So a globe, it just looks like the Earth, but it is very small in size. A globe shows all the lands, all the water areas on the Earth, and so we can easily study about the Earth in details. So a globe is a model of Earth. The blue part which is shown on the globe, it shows us about the water bodies, and the brown parts, they tell us about the land on the Earth. So students, Earth is in real and globe is not real. A globe, it is a model, or we can say a small statue of our Earth. Students, water covers a greater part of the Earth. In the picture of the globe, you have seen that major part of the Earth is covered by water. So a very small part is covered with land, whereas a large part is covered by water. So this water is present in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds. All these constitute the water area or water surface of the Earth. And we also have some land areas. I have shown you on the globe. So on the land or on the land areas, we make houses. Also we grow crops. Farming is done on the land itself. So what is done? We grow food crops, we grow fruits, we grow vegetables on the land area. Also we make use of various transport systems on this land itself. Like we drive buses, we drive cars, we drive various types of vehicles on the land. We cannot drive all these vehicles on the water, right? In the waters, we use ships, boats, but on the land, we use cars, vehicles, buses, right? Trains are also running on the land. Yes. So land, it is not the same everywhere, right? You have seen that there are flat lands, there are hills, mountains are there, right? So all the places the land is not the same. Some places it is very plain surface, flat surface. In some areas we have huge mountains, we have hills, right? Yes. So at some places it is high, at some places it is flat. So some landforms are also there for us for studies in this chapter. The landforms like mountains. What are mountains? Parvat. Then we have hills, right? Tekdi. Also we have valley. What is valley? Dari. So mountains, hills and valleys are some of the landforms that we are going to study now. I will show you the pictures and give you the information about these hills, mountains and valleys. Students, here you can see the landforms that are found on the earth. Mountains. So here you can see mountains. In Marathi we call it Parvat. So mountains are very high land. So they are very much high than the surface of the earth. These are very high. Very high land is called as a mountain. Here you can see hills. Hills means in Marathi we call it Tekdi. These are low mountains, right? So mountain, it is very high. The height is very big. Smaller than the mountains are the hills. The height of the hills is not as high as the mountains. They are smaller. The hills, they are smaller than the mountains. Low mountains are called as hills. And here you can see a valley. This green area which you can see between these two mountains, it is called as the valley. Low land between two hills is called as valley. In Marathi we call it Dari. So this green area which you can see between these two hills, between these hills we can find this low lying area, the green part. This is called as the valley. So students, we should keep the land, air and water clean. As we live on this earth, it is our responsibility that we keep the land, the air and the water on this earth clean so that each and every person can use it.